Heartburn is that pesky, burning sensation in your chest that creeps up at the most inconvenient times. While reaching for antacids might offer quick relief, there are smarter, long-term strategies to keep heartburn at bay. First off, watch what you eat. Certain foods are notorious for triggering heartburn. Spicy dishes, citrus fruits, tomatoes, chocolate, and even peppermint can be culprits. Instead, opt for a balanced diet with plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Meals should be smaller and more frequent, helping to prevent the overproduction of stomach acid that large meals can trigger. Your lifestyle plays a significant role too. Smoking and alcohol are well-known irritants to the digestive system. Quitting smoking and moderating alcohol intake can make a huge difference. Another savvy tip is to stay upright after eating. Lying down or bending over immediately after meals can make it easier for stomach acid to escape into the esophagus. Instead, take a leisurely walk. It not only aids digestion, but also keeps acid where it belongs. Hydration is essential, but be mindful of how and when you drink water. Sipping water throughout the day is great, but gulping down large amounts, especially during meals, can exacerbate heartburn by diluting stomach acids and disrupting digestion. Chewing gum, surprisingly, can also help. It increases saliva production, which can neutralize stomach acid and ease symptoms. Finally, consider the role of stress. High stress levels can lead to an increase in stomach acid production. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or even simple deep breathing exercises can keep stress and consequently heartburn under control. Keeping heartburn at bay doesn't have to mean drastic changes. With these smart strategies, you can enjoy your meals and live comfortably without the constant burn. So the next time heartburn threatens, you'll be prepared with these handy tips. Happy heartburn-free eating.